2013 Dodge Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, power windows, CD player, passenger airbag, MP3 player, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.